You put a curved line. Yeah. Do a circle. Oh wait. Yeah, now do a circle, and then you put a line, you shade it. So slow. And then you do the bottom, you do the lashes. Ooh, it's a girl. And then you do the eyebrow. No. Yay! And then you do the nose, and the mouth, and the hair. Okay. And then you do the bow. And then you do the hair again. And then you do the face. And then you do the neck. And then you do a love heart. And you're done. And you can add blush cheek.